What's good everyone, and welcome to part 4 of the series How to Make It as a DJ here in India. If you guys are new here, my name is Deep, and if you haven't seen my other videos which is a part of this series, I request you to see them first. I'll link it down in the description box, you can go and have a look. Guys, this video is all about promoting and how to promote yourself. Great content, if promoted well, can take you places. Marketing and promotion go hand in hand. It becomes easier for you to promote yourself once your networking is strong. But before you understand about networking, I wanted to tell you guys a few things about promoting. Start by taking help from the biggest tool available to us, which is social media. Create your Facebook page, create your Instagram profile, create your Twitter profile, and use all these platforms to promote yourself. You can use Facebook to promote your pictures. You can create a lot of content and post on Facebook as a timeline. A lot of pictures can be promoted on Instagram. You can also use Twitter to talk about your ideas and your thoughts and what you are doing and what you're up to as a DJ. If you're using Instagram and Twitter, please use hashtags. It's the go-to thing for Instagram and Twitter. Tag all the things related to that content. Also tag the things that you want to be known for. That's right. Think of cross-promotion as well. Think of promoting yourself in different platforms using different platforms. If your Facebook is strong, try to promote your Instagram in Facebook and direct your audience to Instagram from Facebook, and vice versa. And if your Instagram is good, try to promote your Twitter. And if your Twitter is good, try to promote your Facebook. Also make sure that you're attaching your brand in all the content that you're creating. If it's a picture that you're uploading about your work, make sure your logo is placed. And if it's a video that you're posting, make sure you link your Instagram, your Facebook, and all your social media platforms in the description box. This will naturally help you promote yourself better. But one important thing about social media, guys, is that you'll have to make sure that whatever promotion you do is organic. Please don't waste your time buying likes, buying followers, and buying more plays on SoundCloud and all that kind of things. Please make sure that whatever you do is organic. Those 10 genuine followers that you guys will have are far better and far more important than the thousands of followers that you buy and the thousands of likes that you get. Those 10 people are going to make sure that they come to your events and not the other 1,000 people. You're only fooling yourself by buying all those likes. Those 1,000 followers that you get are all bots. They're not a person. They're not a human being. They're just some bots. Don't use them, guys. You have to make sure that you're not using any of these websites that help you promote yourself in a way which is not organic. Please do not badmouth about other DJs. Please do not talk bad about the industry, guys. The promoters and the booking agents do not want to see anything else apart from the fact that you are passionate about your content and you are passionate about what you are doing. Please don't think that by talking bad about somebody you're going to make yourself better. No, that's not going to happen, guys. You're only going to slow down your process of becoming a great DJ. One of the most common mistakes that we all do is asking people for likes and beg random people on Facebook, messaging them and asking them to check out my new mix, and we send a link. No, guys, I don't think you guys should do that, because that's only going to make the other person angry and he's not going to be interested in you. If you are going to message some people, make sure you choose the right people. Maybe strike a conversation before you just send them the link. Strike a conversation and try to understand whether they're interested in the content that you want to show them. And if you think they are, then politely ask them if they can just check out your mix and check out your content and give you some feedback. There are a lot of different ways of promoting yourself as a DJ, and you will soon find out that some things work for you and some things don't. Please do not spam other people. Please try not to buy those likes. Try to have a organic growth and try to have those organic people who actually follow you. I hope that the tips in this video helped you in some way or the other. And if you guys like what I'm doing, please give that thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today. That's been it. I'll see you guys in the next one.